Hello friend, today we are now going to start our classes on augmented reality software development in Unity. My name is Sudhindra Sastry and let us jump into the world of this augmented reality. Here in our first section we are going to deal with augmented reality definition. What is augmented reality? And then we are going to discuss about virtual reality. What is the difference between augmented reality and virtual reality? And then we are going to install Unity in the machine. How to install it? This will be covered in our first section. So after this, in our next section, we are going to just refer some subject about the Unity basics. So, how are game objects created in Unity? How to transform game object like moving them, rotating them, scaling them. Then how to set the environment, change the background color, change the background images using skybox. So these things will be covered. And finally, we are going to explore C# programming, which is the key concept that we have to learn in Unity. Now, in our third section, we will be introduced to a software called Vuforia. Vuforia is a cloud-based service which actually converts your gaming platform into an app. Actually, if you are a good app developer, you can do it using Android Studio, but without going into the details of this Android Studio and app development, if you want directly the augmented reality components to work in Unity, then we use the services of Vuforia. Vuforia is a paid service, but for learning purposes and for demo purposes, you can use Vuforia with a free account. So in this we are going to set up a free Vuforia account. We will set up the license keys. Then in augmented reality, we are going to build targets that is going to trigger our models. So how to build these targets, and then how to build this AR app in Android or iOS and how to deploy it. So this complete cycle from start to finish, we are going to do it in our third section. Now, in our fourth section, we are going to create reference sketches and we are going to build, here we are going to create a book for children. So, this is basically a drawing book for children where children draw some rough sketches, and based on the rough sketches, based on the drawing, the models will be generated and those models will get triggered when you project over a particular drawing. So in this case, we will also learn about scripting and how to control game object through scripts. So all this will be covered in our first AR app that we are going to create, which we call it as the AR book. Sorry, this will be the second app. So this we call it as the AR book. Then we come to the next section where we are going to create an AR poster. The poster, whether it is a product poster or service poster, in this poster, the app that we are going to create, with this app when you see that poster, the objects or the product on the poster will get converted into a 3D model and pop up as soon as a user focuses his mobile over that poster. So here for generating models and for using characters, we will also discuss about the ready tools available by Google known as Google Blocks and Google Poly. So these things we will discuss in our section 5. Then coming to section 6, here we are going to navigate through our VR or AR app using buttons. So we are going to create virtual buttons, And the button events, like when you click a button, when you roll over the button, so we are going to trigger these button events and create various actions based on the button events. So this entire scripting concept will be discussed in our section 6. We will also link this button to a video, and we will also discuss about how to control video using this virtual navigation. Then in section 7 we are going to discuss about superimpose AR. That is, say for example, if you hold your phone in front of a human body, immediately you should get a model of the skeleton popping out of it, so that we can see how the skeleton is inside the body. Or for example, if you focus your camera on a car engine, immediately you should see the inside model of that car. So this kind of superimposing a virtual object over the real object. So this part we are going to create an app for this concept in our 7th section. And then in our 8th section we are going to create target based animation. That is, we will create a cylindrical target and we will make aeroplane or cloud or some earth or some models rotate around this cylindrical object. So this creates a kind of augmented reality environment. So this we are going to discuss it in our section 8. Then in our section 9 we are going to discuss about the video, working with video, and we are going to work with the video component of Vuforia and how we can control the interactive controls of video in Vuforia. Now in section 10 we are going to define our user target, and we are going to, that is the target. In our initial stages we had actually created the target, and as soon as the camera is held in front of the target, the AR objects were getting popped up. So in this case we will give the user the control to create his own target. He can fix the target, and whenever the target image comes, the AR object will pop in on the screen. So this we are going to discuss in our 10th section. So this covers almost all concepts of augmented reality in this entire course duration.